Oh yeah.
It's worse than the COVID shit.
We're gonna do the endonasal first dose. He has some sinus issues. Tell him about a little bit about background.
So I had cysts in my nose that grew because I pulled a hair out,
Mm-hmm.
and my immune system was weak because at this time I was fasting. I fasted for like 100 days, 100 nights.
Oh wow.
So I wasn't fasting the right way. I didn't get all my nutrients, so I was susceptible to whatever virus and infections and stuff. So my whole face, the whole left side of my face got swollen. I had to get surgery done, and they pulled out the cyst that was growing in it, like 2 of them. And then as my nose started to heal, I feel like extra skin inside my left nostril grew as well. So it's giving me a hard time to breathe through my left nostril as well. So.
Okay, gotcha.
But the first visit that we had, when we did the cracking, I was able to, like when I got back to the car, that's when I realized I was able to breathe a little better.
Yeah. So that what we're gonna do with this endonasal technique, we're gonna put this into the nasal cavity. There's 3 spots there. We're gonna do 3 times on each side to really open it up. That will get rid of any polyps you have, any like pressures, any sort of because your face has multiple bones and it can get stuck. Just like how your neck gets stuck, your face can get stuck. The bones can get stuck. So open out. It's like an adjustment for your face. And then if you have any pressure, sinus stuff, it will kind of release that. You just swallow everything. It drains you. Okay. Good. Done. All right, now let's lay on your back. All right. Put this on your ground here. Okay, so here's how it works. When I tell you, you're gonna pick up your arms. You're gonna put both arms in front of you like this. Both arms, right there. And when I tell you take a deep breath, you're going to take a deep breath through your mouth only. And then when I tell you blow out, you're going to blow through your mouth only. And then you're going to put your arms down. Okay? So put your arms up. And me down. Yeah. Okay. Keep your eyes closed the whole time. All right, here we go. You feel low pressure. This one's going to be a light one just to kind of warm it up. There we go. You feel that deep in there a little bit. Now, let's go a little bit more. Oh yeah.
It's worse than the COVID shit.
Oh yeah, it's like a COVID. It's so true. Alright, here we go. Good. That's one. Let's go to the other side. We can do it 3 times on each side. Yep. So this one's the bad nose nostril. Okay. Good. You're gonna see his eyes watering soon. See, his eyes are already starting to water. That's all the pressure coming out. That's just one time. Round 2. There we go. That tear's coming out. That's all sinus, and that barely just got started. That's all the sinus pressures. Let's go a little deeper in there. Okay. Take a deep breath through your mouth. Now, arms up this time. And hold your breath. Hold it, hold it. Alright, breathe out and put your arms down. Yep, turn up. Let me go this side. I'm gonna go this side. See if we can make him cry on this side a little bit. Okay. Take a deep breath, arms up. Hold your breath. Good. Breathe out. Good. One last round on both sides. That should do it. Going deeper. Take a deep breath. Arms up now. Take a deep breath again. Hold it. Breathe out. Good. One last round. This is it. This is the last one. this is the last one on this nose, and that's it. Push that in. Yeah, stuck in there. Okay, arms up. Take a deep breath now. Hold it. Bring it out. Okay, come on up. Come on up, blow your nose. Blow your nose really hard. Really hard. Good, perfect. Let's see. Take a couple deep breaths. Felt a lot of that pressure come out in the beginning. You see his eyes just watering across his face. That's it.
I'm not going to do all that.
What'd you say? What'd you say?
I said my mother, I'm not going to put that.
Oh yeah, your mother, your man, have some respect.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Look at that. He's crying all over the place.
Nah, this is.
How do you feel?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, you feel open up a little bit? Good. It's gonna be draining the whole day.
Okay.
I mean, look at his eyes though, for real. Look at it, just, you can see it just all red, all watery. That's all the sinus pressure that's been clogged in his sinuses. And it's just coming out of his nose. You're gonna feel it throughout the day. It's gonna be like draining throughout the whole day. Sometimes some people feel a little sick from it because they feel like they have post-nasal drip. But it's not really post-nasal, it's just actually all that sinus.
It's funny though because it didn't drip just out of nowhere. If I'm running a lot, if I'm outside doing a lot of like activity, it just, you know what I'm saying, starts to drip. Like if I'm sweating and my nose starts to drip, I'm just like, what is that?
Yeah, that's all that sinus stuff. That's what's just been clogged up, so we just pop all the sinus.
So just blow it out?
Yep, just blow it out and just drink a lot of water, and then your body will just clear itself.
I should take Claritin? Claritin actually helps with my nasal passages.
You know, it's been prescribed something, you're more than welcome to, but at this point, I don't think you need anything. I think you just kind of keep up with just drinking water and stuff like that.
All right.
You can do all that. All right?
All right, cool.
Good, perfect, 100%. Good, done.